Okay, joining us now is Chief Meteorologist Bannin. So one more dry day before that rain comes in, and many people are just eyeing the weekend.
I know, and we've been eyeing the weekend rain since last week. It is not going to be the biggest amount of rain that solves all of our problems, and the heaviest is going to fall in the hill country. But remember, that's where we need it the most. So it's okay that that's where the heaviest falls, even if you don't get as much rain as you want in the Austin metro. What we're dealing with now, a lot of cloud cover, no rain on top of us. What we've been watching is two areas of upper level low pressure spinning out west. The smaller one's actually being absorbed into this larger low, and this is going to gradually work eastward, helping to pull in more moisture, more lift, more rain eventually, and drag a cold front through central Texas, and that will provide our best chance of rain over the weekend as that cold front approaches early Sunday morning. So what happens overnight into tomorrow morning? A partly to mostly cloudy sky. We already have a lot of clouds already. There's going to be some sunny breaks here tomorrow, kind of like there were today, even if the clouds dominate overall, and we should stay dry through the daylight hours of the day here tomorrow. But we get to the late evening and the opportunity for some rain and thunderstorms in parts of the hill country after, say, 9 or 10 o'clock at night. Some of these storms may actually be briefly strong or severe with large hail and damaging wind. There may be a few drops that get into the Austin metro, especially west of 35 overnight into Saturday morning, but most of the storms will be confined to the hill country, especially the western hill country. Getting into the day on Saturday, scattered showers and thunderstorms continuing into the hill country through the middle of the day. Then we get into the afternoon and early evening Saturday, the opportunity for some showers and storms in the metro and our eastern counties. We only think about 40% of us get measurable rain during the daylight hours of Saturday, with those higher chances being in the hill country. Saturday evening, a few storms, potentially severe, again, most likely in the hill country, possibly clipping parts of the metro. But our main round of rain, the most widespread wet weather of the whole weekend, comes in after midnight into the early hours of Sunday morning. And here it comes into the hill country. Large hail, damaging wind, localized flash flooding, a possibility with this. Ahead of it, just a few streamer showers in the metro and our eastern counties. As it gets closer to the metro, the intensity drops off. It falls apart a little bit. Still thinking most of us in the metro get some showers and weaker thunderstorms here early Sunday, but our eastern counties generally just a few showers, and look, by 9:30, 10 o'clock Sunday morning, we're basically dry with just low rain chances. So our day tomorrow is dry, mostly cloudy to partly sunny with a high of 90. Rain chances start to rise Friday night. They're up to 40% during the day on Saturday with a few showers and isolated thunderstorms, 86. Our highest rain chances of the whole weekend happen while it's dark. Saturday evening, Saturday night, Sunday morning while it's still dark. And then as the sun comes up Sunday during the daylight hours of Sunday morning, rain chances drop to 40%, and then those rain chances keep dropping off. There is that severe weather component, though, late Saturday night into early Sunday, especially a 2 out of 5 risk for those strong and severe thunderstorms in the hill country. As they weaken in the metro, the risk drops to a 1 out of 5 and close to 0 for our eastern counties. Should storms be severe, large hail, damaging wind being our primary concerns, also a localized flash flooding threat as well. We think the highest concern for any flash flooding would be in the hill country, where we expect 1 to 3 inches of rain. Most of us won't come close to that amount, a 1/4 inch to 1 inch, with our eastern counties, even some areas east of 35, getting less than a 1/4 inch of rain. Your Easter forecast, though, the day of, rain chances dropping like a rock soon after the sun is up. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. A drier Monday, but higher rain chances back Tuesday through Thursday. And